Hello, fellow educators and knowledge enthusiasts. Welcome back to Latest Trends of Education, where we dive into the most innovative tools shaping the future of learning. And today, we've got a lineup of cutting-edge tools that will take your teaching game to the next level. From interactive quizzes to virtual science labs, and even an AI tool that turns text into images, buckle up for an educational roller coaster. Body of the video. First up on our list is Quizelize.com, the ultimate quizmaking powerhouse. Teachers, imagine creating interactive quizzes that make learning engaging and fun. From multiple choice to open-ended questions, Quizelize has got you covered. The best part? You can embed these quizzes on your website or share them seamlessly with your students. And don't even get me started on the detailed analytics, track progress like a pro. Now, let's venture into the world of science with Scispace. It's not just a virtual science lab, it's a portal to a universe of experiments and simulations. Chemistry, physics, biology, you name it, students can study it here. Plus, the interactive resources like videos and simulations make science come alive in a way we never dreamed possible. Ever wished you could turn your words into pictures? Well, meet Midjourney, the text-to-image AI tool that's making it happen. Though still in development, it's already wowing users by turning abstract descriptions into impressive visuals. Teachers, think about the potential, helping students visualize those tricky concepts or creating stunning illustrations for projects. Next on our list is a researcher's best friend, ResearchRabbit. Say goodbye to the struggle of finding credible sources. ResearchRabbit uses smart algorithms to identify high-quality materials, providing students with annotations and summaries. It's not just a tool, it's a guide to developing top-notch research skills. Now, let's get organized with Durable. It's not just a note-taking app, it's a powerhouse of features. Handwriting recognition, voice recording, image embedding, Durable is here to make note-taking an art form. Teachers, imagine your students creating organized, multimedia-rich notes, making studying a breeze. And here's something to spark classroom discussions, Elicit. It's not your average questioning tool, it's a game-changer. Open-ended questions with prompts, hints, and feedback, Elicit is designed to foster deep understanding and encourage student participation. Teachers, get ready to elicit those aha moments. And there you have it, a glimpse into the future of education with these incredible tools. Which one has you excited? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more EdTech adventures, and share it with your fellow educators. I'm your name, signing off from Latest Trends of Education. Stay tech-savvy, stay inspired, and keep shaping the minds of tomorrow. Until next time.